Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. I made a video about 2 days ago concerning how to catch sniper entries, and quite a lot of traders really understood the video, and I've been getting quite a lot of testimonies on how they've been using it. But I got also some questions from traders asking that I should explain further how to use the strategy. Okay, so in this video today I'll be explaining further how to use buy limit and sell limit strategy in order for you to be able to catch sniper entries in the market. Okay, so if you stick to the end of this video, you're really gonna understand it all. If this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a little favor, smash the subscribe button so that you don't miss out any single thing, and the next thing you want to do is to turn the notification bell on so you'll be the first to get notified the moment that I release a new video. All right, now let's proceed. So when we talk about buy limit and sell limit, what is buy limit all about? Let me just give you a little explanation about what a buy limit simply means. Okay, so when you have, let's say you've got resistance here and then you've got support here, so you have price coming, let's say from here, going to the upside and gets to resistance. Okay, now let me edit this. I just need to show you guys something. Lines, cool. All right, so you have price coming all the way from support and rallying to the upside. Okay, now if you set an entry around here, waiting, you set an entry somewhere here, and your wait and your expectation is that price should come over. All right, your expectation is that price should come over to where you have set your limit. All right, and then immediately it gets there, you expect it to do what? Sell downward. The moment it hits your entry limit, your expectation is that it should sell downward. That simply means you have set a sell limit. Okay, it simply means you have set a what? Sell limit. I want to believe you understand, and please comment below I understood one, because I'm going to ask you so many times if you understand every single thing that I'll be explaining. So if you understand what I just said now concerning what the buy and sell limit, comment I understood one. Let me explain again. If you have support here, you have resistance here, and price is on its way coming to the upside gradually, and you set a limit here expecting that when price gets to it is going to sell downward, that simply means you have set a sell limit. All right, I believe you understand that. Now vice versa, if you set your limit here and probably price is coming from resistance, selling, coming downward, all right, and hits your entry. Now your expectation is that when it hits your entry, it should go bullish. All right, that is your expectation. So it simply means what you have set is a buy limit, in the sense that you expect price to come, trigger your entry, and go bullish. Okay, so that's what we call buy limit. Now if you understood this one, comment understood two. All right, I want to see those who are going to comment both understood 1 and 2, and I'll be sure that they really understood what I just explained. So now, without much being said, let's get into the chart. Now you would also observe that I have 2 indicators here. All right, so what I usually use this indicator to do is just for me to be able to have idea of more confluence. Not really necessary to use this indicator all the time, because I don't use it all the time. I only use it sometimes to know if what I'm expecting might likely work out fine. Okay, so let me explain that when we get into the charts. So right now, let's say we have support and we have support here again, and then we have resistance here. Okay, just observe every single thing that I'm going to show you right here. Okay, now that we have support and we have resistance, okay, now the next thing that I want to do is, let's say for instance, if I wanted to catch a sniper entry around here, Okay, so let's say if I wanted to catch a sniper entry around here, how would I have caught this sniper entry using buy limit and sell limit strategy? Now, what I want to do first is I would observe how price is gradually coming to the top. So let's say I missed this first entry and then price came here at support. Okay, it found support here. Now, why price is on its way going back up, what I'm going to do is to do what? I'm going to set a buy sell limit right here. All right, then the moment I set a buy limit, a sell limit right there, I want to make sure that I don't joke with my risk management, in the sense that I want to set a stop loss right here. Okay, so let me color that as let me just make it red as okay. So I want to make sure that I have my stop loss set right here. Now, what I'm expecting is that once price comes and triggers it, it should sell downward. All right, now how would I actually be comfortable using placing that sell right there? How would I be comfortable knowing that my stop loss is really safe? I would look at this zone. All right, now if you observe right here, all right, you would notice that at this same zone right here, let me get, just give me a second guys, let me get the okay, vertical line, good. All right, now you notice that at this same zone, you see price was what? At resistance of the what? 70% level of the RSI indicator that I'm using here. Okay, so my strategy according to the RSI indicator here states that whenever I see price at the 70% level, or here, all right, which is 100% known as the overbought, I want to look for selling opportunity. If I see price around 70% level, I want to take my first entry. All right, if my first entry doesn't work, then I know I'll be looking for my second entry at 100%. So right now price was at 70% below it, meaning resistance, and on the other hand, I have this resistant line plotted here, meaning that I'm waiting for price around here. So if I set my sell limit right here, set my stop loss, all right, I'm safe with two different confluences. Right, I have two different confluences, and that's quite enough for me to confidently place the sell and catch that sniper entry down to the downside. Okay, now vice versa, if I was looking for a buying opportunity and I wanted to set a buy limit, all right, so imagine if I had set my buy limit right here and then I had put my stop loss right here. Okay, now price would do the same thing. Okay, price would do the same thing, which is what? Once it comes to support, all right, it gets supported to go to the upside, and on the other hand, it has triggered my entry and is on the way to the upside. And if you observe in the RSI, you can see exactly where price found support at what? Oversold of the RSI indicator. So I hope you understand it even much better. Now you might likely ask me, what do I use the second RSI to do? I use it actually to spot out whenever there is divergence in the market. All right, I use it to spot out whenever I see divergence in the market. Like right here, I saw divergence because you can see clearly that this zone, you can see clearly that from here to here, price created a higher high. All right, from here to here was a higher high. But if you observe here, you will notice that price did not create a higher high here, but rather price kept going even lower and lower, meaning divergence. All right, so there's multiple confluence that you can use to spot out the right areas you should set your limits and catch those sniper entries. So I want to believe that you really understood this video. If you understood it completely, now comment understood 3, follow me up on Twitter and make sure you join us on Telegram, because you don't want to miss out any single update. Sometimes when I find opportunities to give you guys free signals, I can always drop it on the Telegram community, so you want to make sure you join us. If you really love this video, smash the like button as a way to show me that you really love it and you want me to keep doing more, because your likes is what encourages me to keep doing more for you guys. So expecting more strategies on sniper entries, make sure you smash the like button. Let us get at least 100 to 200 likes on this. Can we do that? All right, smash the like button. Yeah, thank you very much. Now for the settings, you have a relative strength index, you have period 11, apply to weighted close HLCC/4. Then under the levels, you have 96, 97, 98, you have 12, 13, 14, 15, you have 70, 30, and 90. Then you have 29.19, 33.98, and then you have 32.14. You can put whatever color you desire, okay? Then for the second relative strength index, you have period to be 14, apply to close this time. And then the settings should be 96, 97, 98, 12, 13, 14, 15, 70, 33.98, and then 32.14. Put whatever color you desire, and done. So for the main time traders, make sure you stay safe, keep trading, and keep winning.